So we're talking about ratios here, and it's just a way to compare two numbers. So they can be written in different ways. So if I just take two numbers, like if I say, take the numbers 3 and 4, I can write the ratio as 3 over 4, or 3 to 4, or 3 to 4 this way. Even though this colon here, it's a colon. When we say it out, we don't say 3:4, we just say 3 to 4. But really, it's just a way of comparing different numbers. So, like, I could say if I had 3 boys in the class and 4 girls in the class, the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 4. Is just 3 to 4 there. So that's what that is talking about with ratios. So then they give us an example here. They tell us, different types of bagels and the number that this bagel shop sells. So it says the total bagel sales at the bagel shop for Monday is in the table. It says below, but actually it is above. It says, what is the ratio of cinnamon raisin bagels to plain bagels? So the order here is particular. They want cinnamon raisin bagels to come first and plain bagels to come second. So if I look at cinnamon raisin bagels, I sold 30 of those. And my plain bagels is 80. Okay, so I can write that as a ratio, and the ratio that it would be written out, I can write it as 30 over 80, or I can write this as 30 to 80, or I can write it with the words 30 to, with the words 30 to 80. So those are the three ways that I can write out the ratios. However, when I take a look at that, whenever we write ratios need to always be written in the simplest form. So if I look at 30 and 80, I can divide both by 10, and that's 3 to 8. And that's really how it needs to be written. So anytime you write a ratio, always write it in the simplest form. So the three ways that I can write this ratio properly would be 3 to 8, 3 to 8 this way with the colon, or the words 3 to 8.